Okay, the te form. That wonderful, marvellously useful form of the verb. The te form of verbs is used in a number of grammatical patterns, the most important of which is its use with kudasai, which means please. In order to ask someone to do something for you, simply use the te form of the verb that you wish them to do for you, followed by kudasai. Note that when we're asking for something, for example paper, we say kami o kudasai. We need to put the o in. But when we're asking people to do things for us, we don't need to have that o anymore. And here are some examples. These are the phrases that you will need in this unit. Itte kudasai. Please go. Magatte kudasai. Please turn. Watatte kudasai. Please cross. And kaite kudasai. Okay, let's have a look how we're going to make verbs into the te form. Well, we're going to focus first of all on group 1 verbs because they're the hard ones. And this is what you do. First of all, you take your group 1 verb and you remove the mas from the end of the verb. That makes what we call the verb stem. Okay, here's our verb. Let's take nomimasu, to drink. Now we're going to remove the mas from the end. Okay, there we are. It's gone. Now once you've removed the mas from the end of the verb, leaving the verb stem, then step 2, you must substitute the remaining hiragana in the following way. So we have to find the hiragana which is remaining. Let's just have a look. Here it is, so it's mi. So we're going to substitute that, we're going to remove that, and we're going to replace it according to the rule. Let's have another look. Okay, we've removed the mas from the end of nomimas. So we're left with nomi, that's the verb stem, and we're going to have a look now what to do with that remaining hiragana, that mi. Okay? Now, if it were an I or a chi or a ri, you would remove it and change it to its te. It's not, is it? It's a mi. Here we have it. Ni, bi, or a mi, that's our mi. It changes to de. So let's go back and change the mi on the end to de. Okay, there we've got our mi. Let's remove it. There we are. It's gone, and we're going to change it into de. Okay, now we're going to change it into de. So we're going to have no de. Nonde. And there we have the te form of nomimasu. Nonde. Now if that final hiragana had not been mi, but had been a ki, and also a gi counts as the same really, then it would change to ite. Or if it's got a ten-ten, it keeps its ten-ten and it becomes ide. If it were a she, it would change to shite. And of course, here's the exception. Ikimasu changes to ide. And of course, we do have a little song to help us, don't we? And you'll hear the little song in the PowerPoint that you click on, but let's just remind ourselves what it is. It goes like this. Ichi, li, becomes de. Ni, bi, mi, becomes de. Ki becomes ite. Shi becomes shite. Kite, mite, ite. Te, te, te. Okay, let's just finish off by looking at the te form with group 2 verbs. It's terribly easy. You remove the mas and you replace the mas with te. Let's just try it out with tabemasu, our quintessential te form verb. Okay, ta, be, ma, su. Now we've got to remove the mas. There, it's gone, and we're going to replace it with te. And there we have it, tabete, the te form of to eat. And that's the te form.